Collecting and folding clothes. Collecting clothes from the clothesline. This is very important. It must be your clothesline. Please do not take clothes from the neighbor's clothesline, and please don't ride around other villages with your parents looking for clothes you like from strangers' clotheslines. This especially means you, student number 3. The clothes that have already been washed and dried should be collected properly for the convenience of folding and ironing. The following is the proper way of collecting dry clothes from the washing line. First, take the clothes pegs off the clothes that are hanging on the washing line, and then put the clothes into a clean and dry basket or bowl. If you are using a bowl, please make sure that no fruit, cereal, or yogurt is still in the bowl. For clothes hanging on a hanger, do not take them off the hanger. Instead, take them with their hangers back inside your house. Next, put the clothes into 2 groups. One group to be ironed and one group that does not need to be ironed. Hang the clothes for ironing somewhere convenient, such as hanging on the rod that holds the shower curtain. Never mind if a family member is already taking a shower. They will need to put on clothes after the shower anyway. Put the rest of the clothes somewhere ready to be folded. Folding clothes, the clothes that do not require ironing, such as pajamas, underwear, t-shirts, shorts, socks, towels, battle armor, and sarongs, should be folded properly and put away in boxes or a wardrobe as shown in the examples you'll see later. Here's a tip. If you are traveling, you could roll clothes rather than folding them. Then you will have more room inside your suitcase. But then again, you could just mail your clothes to your hotel in Japan, and then you won't even need to carry a suitcase. Just put your toothbrush in your pocket and go to the airport. Now let's fold some clothes.